Myself Onibarjya Sarkar. Today's topic Laplace transformation. Laplace transformation. Laplace transformation. First, I am writing here the mathematical definition of Laplace transformation. The definition of Laplace transformation is, first we consider a function f of t. Let us we consider a function f of t for all t greater than 0. It means f of t is a positive function. Then its Laplace transformation is denoted by L of ft and is defined by L of ft equal to integration lower bound 0 upper range infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt equal to f of s, where s is a parameter. This is basically the definition of Laplace transformation. Here f of t is a positive function and its Laplace transformation denoted by L of ft, and it is also defined by L of ft equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt, and the answer we getting by this process including s. So here we write f of s. That means the answer is in the form of s form, where s is the parameter. Basically the value of s depend on the limit. Clear? Now we discuss what is actually Laplace transformation do. Basically Laplace transformation convert time domain to frequency domain. Laplace transformation basically convert time domain to frequency domain. Time domain to frequency domain. It is widely used in the field of signal systems or circuit theory. It is very important for the gate mathematics, especially for civil engineering, electrical engineering, SE, and also chemical engineering. Clear? Now we start some properties of Laplace transformation, and when we do inverse Laplace transformation, then its frequency domain convert into time domain. Clear, guys? Now we find the Laplace transformation of unit function. That means Laplace transformation of 1. What is the value of Laplace transformation of 1? We know the Laplace transformation L of ft equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt is the standard formula. Now we have to find out the value of L of 1. That means f of t replaced by 1. So here 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t means 1 into dt. 1 into after multiplying this we can get 0 to infinity e to the power minus st dt, and now integrating. After integrating we can get e to the power minus st by minus s, range infinity to 0. Minus s is constant, so taking common it, and here e to the power minus st means 1 by st. limit infinity to 0. Clear? Now we put the value of infinity on the place of t. So we can write 1 by s, 1 by e to the power t replaced by infinity, and infinity multiply with s, we can get infinity minus 1 by e to the power, here t replaced by 0, and 0 multiplying with s, we can get 0. So e to the power infinity means infinity, and something divided by infinity means 0. So 1 by s, here 0, minus 1 by e to the power 0 means 1. So 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1, and minus minus plus, so the answer is 1 by s. So Laplace transformation of unit function or one unit value is 1 by s. Clear? The another property, property of Laplace transform, L of e to the power at. What is the value of L of e to the power at? The value of, so we first write the formula Laplace of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt, the formula of Laplace transformation. Now we replace f of t by e to the power at. So here 0 to infinity e to the power minus st into e to the power at dt. Here f of t replaced by e to the power at, so f of t replaced by e to the power at. Now multiplying, as in the field of multiplying, this power will add it, so e to the power minus st plus at dt. Clear? Now we take common minus t from this, and we can get e to the power minus t s minus a dt. Now integrating, after integrating we can get as previously e to the power minus s minus a t by minus s minus a. Clear? Range infinity to 0. Here minus s by a is constant, so taking common this, and here e to the power s minus a t limit infinity to 0, and after putting the value of infinity previously, here 1 by e to the power infinity, that means 1 by infinity, that means 0, and after putting 0, that means 1 by 1, that means 1 by s minus a, 0 minus 1, that means 1 by s minus a. Clear? So guys, to solve the gate problem, Laplace transform, the gate mathematics problem on Laplace transformation, we generally use some formulas. The number 1 formula, L of 1 equal to 1 by s. Number 2 formula, L of e to the power at equal to 1 by s minus a. Number 3, Laplace of sin at equal to a by s square plus s square. Number 4, Laplace of cos at equal to s by s square plus s square. Number 5, Laplace of t to the power n equal to n factorial by s to the power n plus 1, where n is integer. It means when we see n is the integer value, then we apply this formula, and when we saw the n is fraction, then we apply the formula gamma n plus 1 by s to the power n plus 1, where n is fraction value. Clear? Generally these 5 formulas are used to solve the problem of Laplace transformation. Now we take a problem and understand properly how the formula is used. The first math take is, we are taking find the value of Laplace sine t minus cos t whole square. Clear? So here we use a minus b whole square, Laplace of a minus b whole square. The formula of a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. As similarly we can write sine square t plus cos square t minus 2 sine t cos t. Clear? And sine square t plus cos square t equal to 1, we know that, minus 2 sine t cos t, that means sine 2t. Clear? As L is a Laplace transformation and L is a operator, so we break the relation like, and this is independent, so L of 1 minus L of sine 2t. Clear? So we know that L of 1 equal to how much? 1 by s, and L of sine 2t. Previously I am saying that L of sine at equal to a by a square plus a square. We use this formula in here. Here a is a 2, so 2 by a square plus 2 square. That means 1 by s minus 2 by a square plus 4 is our required answer. So this answer is in the form of s, so we can write f of s in the last of the formula. Clear? Now we take a great problem. The great problem comes in the year of GATE 2015, mechanical, in the field of mechanical. The problem is the Laplace transformation of e to the power I 5t, e to the power I 5t, where I equal to root over minus 1, and provided answer are s minus 5i by s square minus 25, option B, s plus 5i by s square plus 25, option C, s plus 5i by s square minus 25, and option D is s minus 5i by s square plus 25. How will it solve? So we have to find out the Laplace transformation of e to the power minus e to the power I 5t. So Laplace transformation of e to the power I 5t equal to, we know that previously we do that, e to the power at, the formula of e to the power at equal to 1 by s minus a. So we apply the same condition here, so 1 by s minus a means 5i, s minus 5i. Now we rationalized, so multiplying s plus 5i, s minus 5i, and s plus 5i. So here s plus 5i, and here s square minus 25 I square. Clear? So s plus 5i by s square plus 25, as I square give the value minus 1. Clear? So here B is the right answer. Clear? We can do the math in other way, like we know a formula that e to the power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Clear, guys? So here e to the power I 5t means cos 5t plus I sin 5t. Now we use Laplace of the math, so Laplace taking both sides. As Laplace is independent, so we break the relation cos 5t plus I is constant, so L of sine 5t. Clear? Laplace of cos 5t, we know that Laplace of cos 80 equal to s by s square plus s square. So here s by s square plus 5 square plus I, and Laplace of sine 80, Laplace of sine 80 equal to a by s square plus s square. Here a means 5, so 5 by s square plus 5 square. That means LCM of the lower part s square plus 25 and s plus 5i. Clear? So B is our right answer. You can use any one of the method to solve the problem. This math came in the GATE 15 mechanical exam set 2. Clear, guys? Now we learn a property of Laplace transformation, and the name of the property is first shifting property. First shifting property. What is it? The statement of the first shifting property is, if Laplace of f of t equal to f of s, then we can write Laplace of e to the power at f of t equal to f of s minus a. Clear? We have to prove that now. Proof. We know that the formula of Laplace transformation, L of ft equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt equal to f of s, as the answer come in the form of s, so this is f of s. Clear? Here we have to find the value of Laplace of e to the power at f of t. So Laplace of e to the power at f of t, it means f of t replaced by e to the power at f of t. Clear? So 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and ft is replaced by into multiply of e to the power at f of t. Clear? dt. Now multiplying this, the power will added and taking common t, so minus t equal to s minus a f of t dt. Clear, guys? Multiplying the two, multiplying e to the power minus st and e to the power at, the power will add it, and after taking common minus t, so e to the power minus t under first bracket s minus a ft dt. Here we see that if this will be s, then we can write f of s, and here if this will be s minus 1, we can write the same way f of s minus a, we will be write on the same way f of s minus a. Clear? This is the property of first shifting property. It is widely used in the field of Laplace transformation, and every year some of math comes on using this property. Clear? So now we take a math where we can use the first shifting property. Clear? Here a math comes in the GATE 2014 on Department of Mechanical set 4. The math is question number 3. The math is Laplace transformation of cos omega t equal to s by s square plus omega square. The Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 2t cos 4t is option A s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus 16. Option B s plus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus 16. Option C s minus 2 by s plus 2 whole square plus 16. And option D is s plus 2 by s plus 2 whole square plus 16. This is come in the GATE exam year of 2014 on the department mechanical set 4. Clear? How will we solve it? Now we see that here we see e to the power minus 80 f of it is the form of e to the power minus 80 f of t form. Clear? So we use here first shifting property. So now we use L of e to the power minus 2t cos 4t. Clear? As previously we see that the formula tell us e to the power 80 f of t equal to f of s minus a. Clear? So here first we have to make f of s and then we replace s by s minus a. So first we find f of s. L of cos 4t means s by s square plus 16. Clear? This means f of s. Clear? Now using first shifting property we can write L of e to the power minus 2t cos 4t equal to f of s minus plus s plus 2. That means this is f of s. So when we find f of s plus 2, just s is replaced by s plus 2. So s by s plus 2 whole square plus 16 is our required sorry, here also s is replaced by s plus 2. That means in upper side also s is replaced by s plus 2. So this is our required answer. So here s plus 2 by s plus 2 whole square plus 16 is our required answer. So what we do, we revise this. We have to find the value of L of e to the power minus 2t cos 4t. Clear? So when we see that the two function is multiply, like one is exponential function and another is a trigonometric function, then we always use the first shifting property. Clear? So what first shifting property gives us? The first shifting property of L of e to the power 80 f of t equal to f of s minus a. So we have to find, firstly we have to find f of s. And how we find f of s? If we do Laplace of cos 4t, then we can find the value of s by s square plus 16. This means this value is included s. So this is f of s. Now using first shifting property, just what we do, just s replaced by s minus a. Here minus a means minus 2. So s is here. So here s is here replaced by s plus 2. If f of s is s by s square plus 16, then f of s plus 2 means just s replaced by s plus 2, and also here also s replaced by s plus 2 whole square plus 16 is our required answer. So our answer D is right. Clear, guys? So this is the part of Laplace transformation, part of 1. The other parts of Laplace transform, as because Laplace is a very big chapter and there are many properties, so we make some other videos also. So please watching our channel and subscribe and share among your friends. Bye. Take care.